In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the divisibility rule for the number 4 to figure out if any given number is divisible by 4. So the rule is, to figure out if a number is divisible by 4, if you only have to look at the last two digits. If the last two digits are divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible by 4. So let's take a look at 5 examples here. Which of the following are divisible by 4? Or are the following divisible by 4? So 184, so you only have to look at the 84 in the end. And since the last two digits are 84 and 84 itself is divisible by 4, then 184 is divisible by 4. Now I would know that 84, even though I might not know my 4 times tables up to, 4 times what's 84. You see, 4 goes into 8 evenly, and 4 goes into 4 evenly, so 4 has to go into 84 evenly. So next one, the last two digits for 12,014 are 14, so you only have to look at the 1 4 in the end. Now 14 is not a multiple of 4, so it's not divisible by 4, so 12,014 is not divisible by 4. So next number is 712, so we only look at the 12 in the end, the last two digits are 12, and 12 is certainly a multiple of 4, 3 times 4 is 12. So that means that 712 is divisible by 4. Okay, now we've got a fairly big number, 3,109,520. So we only have to look at the 20 in the end. The last two digits are 20, and 20 is divisible by 4. 5 times 4 is 20. So that means that 3,109,520 is divisible by 4. Last example is 1,817, so we only have to look at the 17 in the end. The last two digits are 17 or 17, and 17 is not divisible by 4, so that means that 1,817 is not divisible by 4. And that's the end of the tutorial.